Turkish manufacturer Baykar, the maker of the Bayraktar TB2 drone, said it would donate 3 of these drones to Ukraine for free. The drone was a replacement for a number of Bayraktar TB2 drones that were shot down by Russia. So far, Ukraine has purchased 20 units of Bayraktar TB2 and ordered another 16 units in January. The last batch of orders have been delivered since early March. Baykar said he was very moved by the efforts to raise funds from the people of Lithuania to buy the Bayraktar TB2 drone and give it to Ukraine. Lithuania managed to raise $20 million in 3 days from the fundraiser to buy 4 units of Bayraktar TB2 from Turkey. Baykar said the money would not be accepted by the company and would be suggested to be used to help the Ukrainian people who are struggling against Russia. Business leaders and ordinary people have donated funds, both small and large, to achieve milestones in a matter of days. Baykar will not accept payment for TB2 and will send 3 UAVs for free to the Ukrainian battlefield. Instead, we request that the funds raised be sent to the struggling Ukrainian people, the company wrote in its June 27 statement. According to Moscow's claims, more than 1,250 Ukrainian drones, including the Bayraktar TB2, have been destroyed by Russian forces since February 24. For Ukraine itself, the presence of armed drones, UCAV, was very effective against Russian armored and logistical columns, especially in the early days of the war. Previously, the Bayraktar TB2 drone had gained notoriety in the Nagorno-Karabakh War in September 2020, where it managed to destroy dozens of Armenian armored artillery vehicles, bunkers, and air defense systems.